Welcome to my channel Fio. Please do not forget to subscribe. So here is the Fascinator hat which I sketched before in my previous video. So this is very elegant, sophisticated hat which you can carry in your casuals or formals. You just should have the confidence. So this is the Edwardian style which I am creating in modern era. So this is the pattern goes. It is a circle of 9-inch diameter. You need to cut a circle 9-inch diameter, and the half is the half of 9. So here's the fabric which I have used. It's organza and it's double fold. So this is the cutout of the paper which I'll keep and cut off. So these are the two pieces of fabric which I will lay on together on the lining. After sewing it in semicircle, I'll flip it in. And this is the dart. And the dart in total is of 1 inch, so half inch on both the side. So once you sew it in the semicircle where you can see the pins, and then you will turn it inside and out. So it's time to sew. So here I am cutting off the excess fabric, and then you're supposed to give notches because it gives a good finishing. So here I'm giving notches. So whenever you're folding, there is no crease to the fabric, and it looks clean. And there is a dart which you can see. Now I will put the lining in and give a top stitch. Well, top stitch, when you give the top stitch, so you do not even need to iron your fabric because it gives a clean finishing. And there is a dart. So now I will sew the top stitch on the fabric, and once it is done, I'll sew the dart. So here's the time for top stitch. Here I'm again tracing the dart. So it would be visible for me, visible enough to sew a dart. Now what I will do is I'll sew it completely. The whole circle will be sewn, and now I'm ironing, and then I will sew the dart because that would be actually easier, or the easiest way. So here is the dot which I cut off, and now I will sew it together. And after sewing the dot, it will look like this. This is the wrong side of the fabric, or wrong side of the hat. After sewing, you can see the pop out portion of the hat. It is not supposed to be lean or flat. It should arise a bit. And this is the bow which I have used with the white organza which I've created. So here I will be drafting a bow pattern on a rough fabric. So you will double fold, and this is how you will be folding the fabrics. It's very simple, and then you create a bow. And now I have sewn a piping out of a fabric, and then you're supposed to knot it around the bow, and here we go. So please subscribe my channel. Do not forget. Ta-da!